Welcome friends. In this video I am going to evaluate the triple integration, that is from 0 to 1, 0 to 1 minus x, 0 to 1 minus x minus y, z with respect to x, y and z. Here we don't have to follow the order of this dx, dy, dz. We have to just check the limits of from where to where it is. It is a function of x and y, therefore it must be z equal to 0 to z equal to 1 minus x minus y, and remaining y and x, here it is again function of x, therefore it is a function from y equal to 0 to 1 minus y equal to 1 minus x, and this is x equal to 0 to 1, like that. Therefore first you are integrating with respect to z, then with respect to y, then with respect to x. I will rewrite the given function as integration from x equal to 0 to 1, second one it must be y equal to 0 to y equal to 1 minus x, and third integration is from z equal to 0 to z equal to 1 minus x minus y, because it is a x minus y, it is a function of two variables here, and z first with respect to z, therefore I will write dz here first and put the bracket which is to be integrated first into dy, then with respect to x. Okay, this one I will simplify and integrate this one, and then what I am going to get here, first I will integrate with respect to z integration, it is integration from x equal to 0 to 1, y will remain as it is, y 0 to 1 minus x, and integration of z is z square divided by 2 between the limits z equal to 0 to 1 minus x minus y, this is z equal to 0 to z equal to this, into dy dx will remain as it is. Okay, now substitute upper limit minus lower limit for this one. What is my upper limit? Okay, upper limit is 1 minus x, z is replaced by this one, that is integration from x equal to 0 to 1, integration from y equal to 0 to 1 minus x as it is, and this 1 by 2 constant I can write outside, and z is replaced by 1 minus x minus y and its square minus z equal to 0 square will become 0 square into dy dx. This is to be integrated now. Okay, while integrating this one with respect to y, this 1 minus x total is constant. Okay, now for how to integrate this one I will simplify it, and for simplified form I will show you. We have the integration of just x dx is nothing but x square by 2. Okay, to evaluate here 1 minus x minus y the whole square with respect to y, some basic formula discuss. Integration of x dx is, we know, x square by 2, like that. Integration of ax dx is nothing but ax plus x square by 2 plus c, some constant c we know. Okay, like that. Integration of ax, correct, integration of ax dx is nothing but a into x square divided by 2. Okay, a is constant, x square by 2 plus c. Similarly, integration of a plus bx into dx is nothing but ax plus bx square divided by 2 into dx. We know that, right? Okay, now if it is integration of a plus bx the whole square dx, if it is there, now it is important, it is a whole square. If you can expand it and then integrate, or directly also I can integrate it as a plus bx whole raised to 3 divided by 3, because of this n plus 1, and due to this coefficient of b I have to write divide by b again. This is this formula I am going to use, integrate this with respect to y now. Anyhow, this is my 0. This integration I have to do with respect to y. That is 1 by 2 times integration from x equal to 0 to 1. Okay, 1 minus x is your constant because you are integrating with respect to y here. Okay, and its coefficient, if you are comparing with this one, here its coefficient is minus 1. Okay, therefore 1 minus x minus y raised to 3 divided by 3, and coefficient of y is minus into minus 1 here. Okay, this limit integration is between the limits y equal to 0 to y equal to 1 minus x into dx. Okay, this is what its integration becomes. Now this 1 by 3 and minus also I will take outside, and I will put the limits, upper limit minus lower limit for this one. What I am going to get, let me check. Minus 1 by 3 here outside become minus 1 by 6, integration from x equal to 0 to 1. Now for this one upper limit, y is replaced by 1 minus x. This is 1 minus x minus of 1 minus x bracket cube, upper limit minus lower limit. What is my lower limit? Y is equal to 0. 1 minus x minus 0 raised to 3 into dx as it is. It is not yet integrated. Okay, now simplify this, which is equal to minus 1 by 6 times integration from x equal to 0 to 1. I will simplify this within the bracket and bracket cube. It is 1 minus x minus 1 and minus of minus plus x raised to 3 minus, and it is 1 minus x bracket cube because 1 minus x 0 bracket cube is there, and into dx. Okay, and what you can observe here, plus 1 minus 1 cancels, minus x plus x also cancels, therefore first term total it is my 0. Okay, now this minus you can take outside, and this integration you can write. I will write minus outside and then I will simplify. Minus of minus will come plus 1 by 6 integration from x equal to 0 to 1, and this is 1 minus x bracket cube dx. This integration I have to do. To do this again in this integration, I will use my this trick of integration. 1 plus bx the whole cube square dx is nothing but cube divided by into 3. Okay, the coefficient of x are divided by 3 also. That trick I will use, and I will integrate this one as 1 by 6 times integration of 1 minus x bracket cube is nothing but 1 minus x bracket raised to 4 divided by 4 into the coefficient of x is minus 1. This is between the limits x equal to 0 to 1. Substitute the limits and simplify, and minus 1 by 4 I will take outside, and this will become 1 divided by 6 into minus 4, and upper limit minus lower limit for 1 minus x whole raised to 4. For this one I have to substitute the limits. Okay, here x equal to 0 to 1, that is minus 1 by 24 times upper limit x equal to 1 I will substitute 1 minus 1 whole raised to 4 minus x is replaced by 0, 1 minus 0 whole raised to 4, and here 1 minus 1 is 0, first term becomes 0 minus, it is not minus 1 whole raised to 4, it is 1 raised to 4 will become 1, and this minus of minus will plus, therefore my final answer is 1 by 24. Okay, this is the required answer for this triple integration. Like this, I am going to solve many more examples on triple integration and change of order of the integrations in my next videos. If you not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get the notifications of my next videos. Share with your friends, comment. Thank you friends.